Yo, Gulse, the theme for my third jam is two sides.
Magnets.
What?
Magnets. Magnets have two sides. Actually, they have two poles, but that is besides my point. That was my original idea for the BenBonk Jam 3, making a game about magnets. But I, nor my teammate, could think of any good ideas on how to make a game about magnets. So I did a very logical thing to do. I asked my science teacher for ideas. This request wouldn't really make sense on any other situation unless I had classes about magnetism that day, which I had. So, my science teacher gave me ideas. The first one being to make a game where aliens or enemies would need to be repelled by a shield with an attack of a specific magnetic pole, and the other pole would attract something good. Another idea not related to magnetism he gave me was to make a game where the player would be inside a particle accelerator. He also gave me two other ideas not related to magnetism either, one about a big world and a small world, and one about a virus fighting with its host. Now, these last two don't really fit the theme in my opinion, so I decided to choose between the first two. Except I don't know what a particle accelerator is, nor what it does, nor how to pixel it. So I went with the first idea, where the player must repel slimes and mages with one side of their shield, while on the other side they must catch bullets at the mage's shield to shoot them back. And that game is done. I was able to finish it. So now I'll go through some good decisions I and my teammate made while making the game. Green. BenBonk loves green. The game uses a 1.5-bit variation of its usual palette, so that's pretty nice. I also really like the pixel art on this game, and I'm very proud of what I made. Not at all related to art, but my teammate told me to let bullets pierce through enemies, and wow, that was a great decision. Killing multiple enemies with one bullet feels so good, especially because of the screen shake, the sound effects, and the juice. My teammate also told me to make the repel side of the shield more useful by adding spikes which the player can use to kill the enemies. And that was also a great decision, as the player can do something while waiting for mages to shoot at them. Speaking of the mage enemy, I like that I was finally able to make an enemy that shoots at the player. Only took me 12 games. Lastly, implementing the suggestion of Kurt's Kiwi friends to make it so that after the players bonks with the enemies they get stunned was a great decision. The game feels way better with it. Now I obviously must also point out that this game ain't totally smooth. There are a couple of very nasty bugs regarding the enemy mage AI going crazy, knockback on mages not working properly, and that the bullets sometimes will not rotate properly. Also, people are saying that they wish the mage enemies would spawn more. Regardless of that, I am very proud of what I made. If you want to play it, the link is on the description. Shout out to BenBonk for the voice lines at the start of the video and for hosting this jam, and thanks for watching. See ya!